everyone, welcome to today's video. I'm going to keep it super short and simple, and it only has one purpose, and that is for you guys to decide what I should wear on my birthday. I have a couple of looks ready that I'm going to wear and show it to you guys, and I will try to minimize the choice so that it's not confusing for both you and me, and that's what this video is going to be about. And actually I'm literally shaking right now because I have made one of the biggest reveals up on my Instagram right now, and it's been something that I have been working on ever since we have been in the lockdown. So I am so happy to finally reveal what I'm going to reveal on the 26th. That sounds so cryptic, but please go follow this handle and you will know exactly what I'm talking about. So please go follow Debasree Beauty. It's coming soon. That's the kind of secret that I've been keeping, and there's so much to reveal. So more on that on the 26th, but today I am going to need your help in picking up what I should wear. Okay, so this is the first option. I got this skirt like pretty early on during the lockdown from H&M, and it's got this really nice slit. I got this on sale. This was like 70 or 80% off, and then it just quickly went out of stock. So I don't think I'll be able to link it. And the top is from Zara. I feel like I could definitely pair this with a better top, but for now I just wore this. What do you guys think? This is the first option. I'll just come close so you can see the top. This is what the top looks like. So this is the second outfit. What do you guys think? So someone suggested that I style this polka dot top with my Zara jeans, and this has a really nice retro vibe to it. Pretty chill, pretty casual, and yeah, this is the second option. Okay, so the next option again is very casual, but this time with the same jeans. I have paired up this neon crop top. It's actually a bikini top from H&M, and this is super casual and yeah, looks nice. I love the bright pop of color, and we could also put in like a white shirt, maybe tie it up. I don't know, we'll see. Tie it up here. Maybe roll the sleeves a little bit. This could be another option. Okay, so for the next one, I had to get this dress out since so many of you actually loved it. Me too. It's very different from what I wear usually, and I love the balloon sleeves, and it just fit me so well, and I love the color as well. So this could be another option. So this dress is from Urbanic, and I actually showed everything that I got from Urbanic in my previous video, so you guys can go watch that. And lastly, I have kept it extremely basic, and you can't go wrong with a plain white shirt. So this jeans is from H&M, and you must have seen this shirt in my Zara haul. And yeah, this is the last and final option. Again, very comfortable yet very chic. I haven't accessorized any of the outfits, so obviously I'm going to add on to that, but for now I am just trying out and seeing what would look nice, and I think this is such a nice option. It's very casual, very relaxed, and it looks very chic as well. So those were all of the outfits. Thank you so much for helping me decide, and I'm so excited to see which one gets voted the highest. I think I've never done something like this, like crowdsourced an outfit or something like that, but I just thought about it randomly, and it would make you feel so much more included, right? And since I've been doing December throughout this month, so why not include you in the things that I'm doing for my birthday as well. So thanks, and I hope you guys are subscribed, because there is something very exciting that I'm going to reveal on the 26th. If you already follow this page, then you will be the first to know, but also I'll be putting up a YouTube video talking more about it. And yeah, that's it for this. Thank you so much. I can't believe that I actually did it. Like, September is almost coming to an end. I only have 2 more videos to go, and it's been quite a journey. But yeah, that's it for this one. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.